How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. For today I have this 2020 Subaru Outback for a full detail. This included a complete engine bay detail, full interior and an exterior wash and wax. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy the show. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It takes only a second and the button is right underneath the video. So guys, make sure to subscribe, like and share the video. So I started off with the engine bay detail, and that is first I disconnect the battery and I cover all the sensitive areas like exposed alternator or any other electrical ports that are open, and battery terminals as well. So this is to make sure that the engine bay is completely safe before doing any kind of washing or cleaning the engine. When I'm doing engine bay detail, I always start from top to the bottom. That means wash the under hood and then go to the engine bay, because if I do the engine first and then wash the top, I will have to repeat the process again. And anytime you use pressure washer doing an engine bay detail, make sure to keep a distance, even doing the under hood, because sometimes the manufacturers do not give clear coat and you can actually chip the paint. So make sure to keep your distance even from the engine as well, so you don't damage anything. So the product that I'm using here is Super Clean Degreaser, and guys, this is my go-to product to do all the engine bay details, because this product works really well on any dirty and grimy areas. And after spraying the Super Clean, I let it dwell for a few minutes and then I cover the engine with foam so that the degreaser does not dry onto the surface. If it dries, it can leave some marks, and clearing those marks is really hard. So after foaming, I use some brushes to agitate the surface and loosen up all the grease, and then I use the pressure washer again to rinse off the engine, and then I blow dry the engine so that there is no standing water anywhere. So this car was just bought by the customer for their dad, and he wanted to get this car completely detailed and then give it to the dad. So he wanted to make sure the car was clean. And after cleaning the engine, I move on to the exterior. Now I'm washing the tires and the wheels. For that, I'm using Super Clean for the tires and the wheel wells, and for the wheels I am using PNS Brake Buster. Guys, these products are really well, and if you use them, the results are amazing. So if you want to know what products and tools I am using in this detail, they are all listed in the description down below. You can click on those links and you can check them out for yourself. After the wheels, now it's time that I rinse off the vehicle completely. That means I rinse all the loose dirt. So this is the time that I clean the door jambs as well, because if you do it later, sometimes you forget. So this is the time you can take the pressure washer and gently wash off all the door jambs. And I include the rear trunk jams as well, so make sure when the customer opens the trunk, all these door jams are cleaned out really well. So after rinsing off the car, there were still some bugs sticking to the front bumper, so I spray bug off by PNS onto the front bumper and the hood and let it dwell for a few minutes. In that time, I spray down the car completely with foam, and when the foam is on top of the bug off, it has some dwell time, so it can completely dissolve all those bug guts. So when I come back with my contact wash, they're very easily removed. When a car comes in for a full wash and wax, I do include the decontamination process. That is where I use a clay mitt or a clay towel or a clay bar. So my go-to product is always the clay towel, which is very easy. It doesn't scratch the paint, but it does do the decontamination process. So while I'm doing contact wash, that's the time I use a clay towel to go over the panel and make sure to remove any surface dirt or that is sticking to the paint. And why I do this is because as I'm washing the panel, the soap is already on the panel and that acts as a lubricant, so I don't have to do another process where I have to use the clay mitt all over the car one more time. So these two steps I combine together to get the job done faster. I do sometimes do the iron decon if I see it's needed, but not all the time. For cleaning WeatherTech floor mats, I use different products, and I use Super Clean degreaser. I can use PNS Brake Buster, and right now, as you see, I'm using here Green Star by Kosh Chemi. This is an all-purpose cleaner by Kosh Chemi, and guys, this is so amazing product because you can use this product anywhere. You can dilute it anywhere from 1 to 5 or from 1 to 30. That means 1 part of Green Star and 30 ounces of water, and you can make it into an interior cleaner. So here I had diluted this product to 1 to 10, and I have actually used this product to clean some running boards, and they have been cleaned really well. So this product is really amazing, and again, all the products that I'm using are in the description down below. You can check them out for yourself. For the interior detail, I always start with vacuuming, so I vacuum all the carpets, all the seats and everything, and then after that, for cleaning the door panels and all the plastics in the car, I use P&S Express Interior, and I steam clean all the plastic panels as well. For the leather seats, I always steam clean them, because if your leather is shiny, that means it is dirty. Clean leather is always matte finish, so for here also I use Express Interior onto the leather. This product can be used on any surface and it gets the job really well, and steam cleaner added to it makes the job even easier, so you don't have to use a lot of elbow grease. But sometimes I do use Scrub Ninja to get the job done even better. After the interior cleaning, all the seats are cleaned and the plastics as well. I apply leather conditioner to all the leather seats, and then I apply UV protectant to all the plastics, that is the outside plastics and the inside. This car had a lot of plastic on the outside, so that gives a finished look, and the product that I use for that is the Aerospace 303 UV protectant. I use the same product on the engine bay as well. It gives all the plastic that clean and nice matte finish on all the black surfaces. After that, I apply a sealant onto the paint, and that gives at least 3 to 6 months of protection. And after that, I use Maguire's Tire Shine, that is a foam product for all the tires. This gives that deep glossy finish, and that wraps up the detail, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and make sure to subscribe as well. And guys, just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one.